Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this yellow eyeshadow look with a different kind of wing. I had never done this look, so I tried it today and I think I'm going to do it more often. And I'm sorry if you can't see the angles correctly, but it's really hard to film eyeliner. I'm not going to finish this look. I'm just going to do this eye. So I am going to be filming the other look on this eye on a different video, so you guys should definitely go check it out. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. So first I am going to take this NYX concealer to prime my eyes, and then I am going to set it with some powder. And then taking my Morphe 35b palette, I am going to use the matte yellow shade, and I am going to blend it out all over my eye. And I'm not using a transition shade because this is the only shade I'm going to use for the Smokey Eye. And then I am just applying it over and over so it can be really pigmented. Then I am taking this shimmery yellow in the palette for the inner part of my eye. And then I'm going back with the matte yellow so I can reapply that pigment. And then I am taking my NYX liquid liner and I am going to make a wing. And then I tried to do the inner wing and I really liked it. This was my first time doing it and I really think I'm going to start doing it more. To be honest, I did not know what I was doing here, but it came out really nice actually. Now I am doing the wing, and then I'm going to fill it in. Now going back with my NYX concealer, I am putting it on my under eyes, and I did set it, but I did not include it. And then here I am doing my under eye eyeshadow. I'm putting the shimmery yellow in the inner corner, and now I'm putting some black liner in the waterline. And then I'm putting a little bit of black to smudge it out. And now I am curling my lashes. And now using my mascara from Wet n Wild, I am applying it. I did put lashes, but I did it after the video. I didn't think I was going to put them on, but I did. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!